Nissan March K 11, Cup Holder Model, Year of Manufacture, 2001, registered in Mine 2005/2, JQ Blue, car in good condition, 4th owner, genuine low millage, 158,000 kilometers, replace new battery, warranty available, good maintenance, alloy wheels, AC, power steering, power shutters, power mirrors, full option, Android player, original interior, no damages, door visor, good tire condition, brand new both tires, original carpets, just buy and drive vehicle, very good running condition, no any repairs to do, and no any suspension noises, all of repairs done. Carefully used showroom condition car, home used, last price will be negotiable after the vehicle inspection. Only, leasing facilities can be arranged within 1 day, 2,300,000 Tanzanian shillings. Call me for vehicle price or more vehicle details. Genuine buyers only. Price, 2,975,000. Can negotiable. Contact 07508 40640. Location, Hamagama. Please subscribe. Anchorage LK. I repeat, please subscribe. Anchorage LK. Please subscribe. Anchorage LK.